Hello everyone and welcome to the channel. In this video, very simply, in just a few steps, I will show you how to change your background color on Wix. So guys, we will need our left panel for this. So this is going to be a panel with all of our settings, as you can see. So you just click on this site design. And then, as you can see, we have our page background. Click on this and then choose color. And in here, just choose the color that you want. You can choose the presets, or you can press on this plus and add a theme color. Also, in the advanced settings, you can basically add your color, your own. So let me just, for example, quickly show you. So if I click on this and then click on apply to other pages, as you can see, I need it, for example, to home. So for example, I can choose red as well. Just choose any color you want. And if you want to apply it also to the other pages, you can also click on these right here, and the color you've set to this page will also be applied to other pages as well. Enjoy guys, hopefully this helped you out. If it did, like the video, subscribe, and I'll see you soon.